gasoline station first, and let's hope the rain didn't start. Hola, buena, ¿aquí o ahí? Ahí. Lleno, por favor. ¿150 o puede más? Pues está bien 150. Let's go to CABARETE. It's cloudy and windy. Big storm is coming tonight, looks like. I'm not sure how far CABARETE is, but I guess like 20-30 minutes should be easy. The traffic is okay, not too much, but still always be careful when you drive with a bike on the road. I can feel some raindrops. Oh, this was a big hole in the road. You don't want to get in there. Oop, oop. Yeah, you see, you never know. You're gonna drive out or you're gonna stop. Don't do what I do, don't block and drive. Be safe. Easy to drive with one hand with this wind, so I put you again on my chest, more easy for me. Too windy to drive with one hand. The only hope is that the rain didn't start. Please, no rain and we are okay. There is no space to stop with my bike and to hide from the rain. Maybe we should stop for a coffee. What I do not like here, it's a lot of plastic on the side way. A lot. I don't get it. Why the people are throwing the plastic out of the window or however they are doing it. Very nice green here, this area, but the plastic destroys everything. So, rain is starting and we need a hideaway. And the wind is also bloody strong. We will stop here. Perfect. Perfect timing. Hola, buenas. Buenas tardes. ¿Tienes café aquí? Para beber café o algo así, ¿tiene? Sí. Oh, perfecto.
¿Hay aguacate maduro?
Sí.
Es muy fuerte, café fuerte. Ok, gracias.
El azúcar está.
No, gracias, está bien.
aguacates. Todos.
¿Viene la lluvia o no viene? Porque yo paraba, porque yo siento un poquito hasta Cabarete. ¿Cuánto tiempo está hasta Cabarete? ¿Cuántos minutos más o menos?
5 minutos.
Ah, ok. Yo pensaba como media hora o algo. Ah, perfecto.
4 kilómetros más o menos.
¿Solo?
5 minutos.
Ah, ok. Porque yo vivo en SOSUA y yo pensaba que son como media hora o algo. Oh, perfecto.
Incluso ya esto es cabarete.
¿Ah, eso también Cabarete?
Sí.
Ok.
Esto es coconut pan.
¿Aquí es la playa este lado? ¿O no,
Sí.
no playa? ¿Sí?
Playa Encuentro.
¿Y apartamentos para alquilar y como hotel o algo?
Ahí practican mucho, hay mucha escuela de windsurf.
Ah, ¿eso de ustedes? ¿Sus dueños de aquí?
No.
Ah, aquí se trabaja y aquí se bebe. Qué buena vida, ¿no? Y este domingo no se trabaja por los domingos,
no
¿no?
se trabaja mucho.
Eso.
Una sola necesito. ¿Necesita eso?
Ese era boca.
50, 75. La aguacate no lo ponga, déjalo. Yo vengo ahorita.
Ya, solo ese.
¿Cuánto hace por todo?
¿Dónde tienes basura, amigo?
Hago una transferencia y le dejo saber en el
Ah, aquí está.
Son como algunos 1800, me lo dejan saber. Mara, me tiro una foto del el
¿Café?
total de todo.
¿Cuánto hay café?
Ven, entrame para 15.
No tiene más menudo que
No, eso no. Que es una bota.
Yo no tengo menos.
Menudo.
Dame 50 y está bien.
Esta aquí va en 19.
Gracias.
Ya,
Hasta luego.
Transferenciado.
no es para problema.
Hasta luego. Dios.
Bye, buen viaje.
Buen día. Perfect, he said it's just 4 kilometers, not so far. More cows here on the roadside, but it's bloody windy. Oh. Alright, here we are in Cabarete. Let's see the beach on this side. Let's stop there. The water looks really wild. Salvaje. Hola, buena.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
La agua está loca, ¿eh? Pero está perfecto tiempo para eso, un poco muy loco, un poco menos mejor, ¿no?
Para mí es muy fuerte.
Oh. Wow. Muy peligroso. Mira, con este viento puedes arriba como 20 metros, 30 metros, ¿no? O algo. Yo nunca lo hago, pero...
Bueno,
¿Ah?
¿sabes?
No, nunca.
Nunca.
¿De dónde eres?
Estados Unidos.
Ah, so you English, right? You speak English? Ah, better. More easy for me. No, I never did this. That's why I'm curious, you know.
Well, it's a little strong today. Maybe after this storm goes by or tomorrow. It's good this week.
Is there a school for rent for an hour, or how it
This guy right
works?
here with the blue shirt, he's the guy who always teaches.
Ah, all right.
A friend of ours, good guy. He used to teach at a kite school, but now he does it at the front thing.
So you do it like daily, 1 hour or however you want. No?
Yeah, whatever you want. He's got the kites and everything, you know.
How was your first time? Was it heavy or?
Oh, it was a long time ago when I first did it, but it takes a few days.
All right.
First day, you know, you're just doing practicing different things, learn how to ride through the kite.
I thought 20 minutes and up, let's go. I didn't know you need hours and hours and hours.
3 days.
2-3 days. Oh.
Yeah. But he's a good teacher.
Good teacher.
You want to try it out? Talk to him.
I stay in SOSUA, but now I just go visit CABARETE. I've been here last year, so I go there for some Chinese food because in SOSUA there's no Chinese. So that's why I just go to eat something.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, but if you're interested, talk to his name's Eliasar.
Well, he's in CABARETE also, yeah? Over
Yeah,
is here.
Peter's right over here.
Ah, just here. All right.
But he comes over here and does his classes and stuff. And I think he has a kite school down there.
Just
too.
down. Is there more places down there? Behind the.
That way.
Yeah, there is nothing.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to Chinese food. Have a good day.
Good luck, man.
Bye. So, let's go. Go. Yeah, there is a lot of kite clubs, kite surfing, because this is the windy side, CABARETE side. Yeah, here we are. We didn't choose really a good day to visit CABARETE, but still it's okay. Let's try to find some coconut place. Yeah, we have a coconut place. Not sure what he's doing, but here we got some coconuts. We got some papaya, mango, aguacate, melon and banana. Hola, buena. ¿Tienes coco frío, amigo? Dame una, por favor. No necesito plástico, ¿no? Ah, no tienes...
Frío, ¿no?
Ah, está abierto ya. Abriste antes. Ah, ok, no, dame fresca, por favor. Yo pensaba que tienes la fresca dentro, fría. Verde, es más dulce, ¿sí? Esta. Vendiste casi todo, ¿eh? Bueno. Gracias. Wow. ¿Cuánto es?
50 pesos.
Gracias, hermano. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes, ¿qué tal? Bien. Hola. ¿Tiene comida china o...?
Parece.
¿Todavía haces picante?
Sí.
Para mí siempre.
Okay.
Pollo picante.
Pollo picante.
No te recuerdas más de mí. Último año. Yo estuve aquí último año, noviembre.
No.
Cada vez cuando vengo, muy picante.
Oh, eso.
Eso.
Okay. Tú ahora flaca, que no...
Más flaco, ¿no? Wow, we got the food already. That was quick, not even 10 minutes. Beautiful. Muchas gracias. Hasta la próxima.
Sí.
Chao. Bloody hell, rain. We are getting more wet and wet. I would love to have few beer, but don't wanna drive in this weather and drinking beer. It's raining like crazy. I'm wet like a chicken, like a wet chicken, but still we need to come home somehow. Let's see. As I said, don't do this at home. Don't drive and vlog. Yeah. Oh, bloody hell, I'm wet. Oh yeah. Cabarete. Where have you been?
Here.
All the time here, waiting for me or what?
I was here without.
All right. I'm wet. So this is the place where I stay. Whew. And because I'm wet, I have to turn off. Hasta la vista. We got the second attempt to go to Cabarete. Let's go. Let's hope this time no rain. Last time the rain was catching us. Let's see if we have more luck. It was raining before a lot. It's Sunday, that's why it's not really busy the road. What is much better. We are entering to Cabarete. Cabarete is like more like a little village for kite surfing because it's much more windy and much more waves. I've been here last year like 2 months, but I mean for me it was a little bit too quiet after a while. I need more action. Should we wait or should we go? Like a nice little area. I've never been here. It's more like the homey area. All right. I like it. Homey. I'm not sure where this road is going, but it looks more colorful and more homies. Aquí no se puede ir o se puede salir, ¿sí? Ok, gracias. Opa. Bloody hell, lost my GoPro. Nothing happened, let's go. Opa, the lake. Back on the main road. Now this looks like a little village. Ah, there's the river here. Alright, river area. Let me show you. The water doesn't look really clean. Actually, it looks like some oil is swimming on the top. I wouldn't swim there. Bienvenido distrito Sabaneta. Ah, Sabaneta de Jessica. All right, now we are in the village Jessica. Bloody plastic fell down. Oh. But no problem. I can fix it. That's why we got this boys here. Amazing. Is there a hole here? No, there is not a hole. Let's see. Ah, okay. Yeah, this will not hold. I think we have to put one more. One more like this. Nah, this will not help. I need a hole here. Let's go a little bit further. If there is nothing, then we go back. The plastic I fixed somehow. We got a lot of cows. Let me show you. Bella! Ah! Bella! Look them. Oh, some birds between. I think they're eating from them shit. They got a lot of cows here around. I'm not sure what they're doing with it. Are we still in Jessica area? Here we go, the river. Much better. Here down we can see some little fishes. Very nice. Some birds. Very good for Hollywood. So, vamos. Ah, this is Veragua. Veragua. Before was Jessica, now we are here in Veragua. I think same but different. Oh. And here we got the second example what to not to do with the nature. Horrible. What a pity. We are back in Cabarete. Very windy this area. But still nice. Better windy and warm than cold and not windy. But because here could be some seaweed. No kite surfing on this side. Let's go to the next beach. I think this is some sort of restaurant. Costilla, pollo, salchicha, salad, green salad, potato salad. Ugh. Here on the other side we got the police station, Politur. I don't know why they're calling them Politur. Ugh. So as you can see, I fixed my bike with some plastic here. Yeah, it's holding. It's alright. Let's go here down, see what is down there. Just a little bit, no problem. I can pass, but just go a little bit back, then I can pass. Yeah, perfect for me. Thank you. Hola, buena. The beach area. Wow. Very busy.
bazooka and interfered in Cooper South. He's not alone. 6 others were celebrated on this day. What an afternoon in Cooper South, New York. We come back.
Bueno.
Usted puede empezar por ahí, por favor.
Oh, I think they got a competition or something, that's why.
Por motivo de un accidente ganó el tercero. ¡Ay, ande el diablo! Chacho, sube esa vela porque puede coger un lugar. Con permiso. Los competidores, si quieren comer, ya estamos listos. Así que vayan acercándose a la mesa. Los que quieran comer del barbecue de Emilio's Hot Dog. Claudio, cuando vuelva me preste por los che. Anda la licra de verdad, sí. Pero búscala. Vamos a esto. No, dijeron que ganó el tercero por un accidente.
Unbelievable. From nothing on the road to the busy beach. Back on the road. Let's check out here. This was the area where we've been last time. On this side it's kite surfing. Oh, more a little bit jungle, but no snakes here, this I know. No snakes on this island, I guess. This is the kite area. This site is pretty always windy. Perfect location for kite surfing and windsurfing. Exactly this, what I'm not doing. I'd rather sit in the bar and have a beer or a coffee. What are these? This looks like mini coconuts. Some spider inside. Yeah, it looks nice. Beautiful. So the main road again. Let's go, but this time with helmet again. Very nice. Here we got some more horses, some big one and some baby horses. Come, yeah. They don't care. They have enough food. Brr, brr, brr. Brr, brr. Hello. They don't give a damn. We are back in SOSUA again. Premium, aquí. Sí. Premium, por favor.
¿Cuántos?
Lleno. 150 o 200, ¿cuánto puede? That was it for today. And I tell you, hasta la vista, baby.